When your first watchgang mystery watch arrives in the mail, there are a few quick tips you can keep in mind to get things started. First of all, make sure you remove all the plastic from your watch. You'll generally find protective film on the face, caseback, and oftentimes you'll find it on the strap or band. Most of the watches we send fall into one of three categories: quartz, solar, or self-winding mechanical movement, more commonly known as automatic. Quartz are by far the most common. They're powered by a simple battery, and oftentimes they'll be ticking in the box, ready for you to wear. However, some brands, in order to save battery life, will place a small plastic tab below the crown to stop the watch from running before you receive it. Simply pull that plastic tab out and push the crown in to start your watch. Quartz batteries can last anywhere between 2 to 4 years before they need to be replaced. Solar watches charge from the ambient light around you, so if they've been sitting in their box for a while, they might be ticking abnormally or not at all. To get your solar watch running correctly, simply place it under a lamp or out in the sun for an hour or two. Generally, after the initial charge, if you're wearing your solar watch regularly, you won't have to worry about charging it again. Automatic movements are the most complex of the bunch, but just as easy to get started. Automatics are referred to as self-winding because they're powered by a counterweight called a rotor that swings around inside the watch while you move throughout your day. That swinging motion winds the watch for you. No battery necessary. So if your automatic watch has been sitting in its box for a while, it might not be ticking because it hasn't been moving. These watches can also be charged by winding the crown. First, place the crown in winding position, usually first position, and give it 7 to 10 turns to get the movement started again. If you listen closely, you'll usually hear some clicking as you're winding the watch. Once your watch is wound, it should start right up. Then, if you're wearing it, it will keep time indefinitely. If you take it off, it will continue ticking for about 36 hours. If you're still having trouble getting your watch started, just send us a message at help.watchgang.com and we'll help you figure it out.